Peppa's DIY Craft Fair. The Maker's Meadow, the Treasure Box, and the Blue Ribbon Map. The sun was a soft lemon yellow over the garden. Peppa Pig stood before a table covered in a rainbow of treasures, buttons, ribbons, lolly sticks, and glitter. She held a craft fair map that showed where all her friends would set up their little making stations. Oink! Peppa whispered. Today was a DIY craft fair. She learned that a plain cardboard box could become a palace if you had enough imagination. She ran her fingers over a piece of velvet ribbon, smooth, soft, hush, and felt the quiet joy of starting a project. The song of the safety scissors. Peppa began to cut out stars from golden cardstock. The scissors made a steady, satisfying sound. Snip, glide, snip. It was the rhythm of a tiny bird pecking at seeds. Peppa met Danny Dog, who was making a telescope out of a kitchen roll tube. They worked in the dappled shade of the big tree. Peppa realized that the best part of crafting was the focus. She felt her mind becoming as neat and tidy as a freshly cut star. She felt her breathing match the steady shush of the glue stick moving across the paper. The library of beaded bracelets. They moved to the beading bench, where tiny wooden beads sat in wooden bowls. This was a library of beaded bracelets. Peppa threaded a bead onto a string. Click, slide, thud. Everything was very still. Peppa watched the sunlight catch the shiny beads. She realized that making something for a friend was like giving them a piece of your heart. She felt her body becoming as light and relaxed as a piece of colorful string. The garden was a gallery of quiet, busy hands. The wind chime chorus. It was time to hang the wind chimes they made from old keys and seashells. They hung them from the low branches of the apple tree. The wind moved them gently. Clink, chime, clink. Mommy Pig explained that DIY means doing it yourself, but it also means doing it with love. Peppa learned to weave her worries into a friendship bracelet and tie them into a knot of peace. She practiced maker's breathing, imagining herself as a soft piece of wool, flexible and warm. The felt blanket and the final stitch. The night was a deep, crafty purple. Peppa climbed into her bed, her hands feeling nimble and tired in a happy way. On her nightstand sat the golden star she had cut out, shining in the moonlight. As she drifted off, she imagined she was a tiny needle, sewing a blanket of starlight across the sky. She saw the treasure box, the safety scissors, and the seashell chimes. The whole world was a cozy, handmade quilt, and it was time for the final rest. Peppa floated into a 3-minute dream of ribbon roads and button-shaped moons. Morals of the story: the power of imagination. You don't need fancy toys to have fun. You can create a whole world from scraps and recycled bits.